So hello students, this is SriRam Shastri. You are watching my video session on how to draw the brain of comparative anatomy in animals. So this diagram would be of brain of buffalo fish. So I'm going to start the diagram over here, and this partition I have made for the next diagram, which I would continue in the next video for the perch. Okay, so without wasting our time, we'll start with this. First, beginning of the diagram, you must always start with the olfactory, what you call as tracts and olfactory lobes. Then you can continue the diagram with the cerebral hemispheres of the climbing perch. Okay, then you can draw the next structure, that is the optic lobes. Here you find quite separated optic lobes are present. Okay, quite completely separated optic lobes are present over here. Okay, so you can continue with the optic lobes. Then you can draw the cerebellum. You have cerebellum in the middle of this portion, continuing like this, a large structure of cerebellum. Then around the cerebellum you are having two large structures called as vagal lobes. These vagal lobes are characteristic features of this fish, that is buffalo fish. So two bean shaped structures you can draw here like this to this one, and this is the another one, and this continues as the what you call as the medulla oblongata and spinal cord. So this shaded structure is the medulla oblongata and spinal cord. These are the vagal lobes. Okay, these are the vagal lobes. Here this is the what you call as cerebellum. So you can draw the cerebellum with so many foldings of abovita like structures. Okay, so this is cerebellum. Here you have a notch of this, you can shade it with dark lightly. Okay, now here you are having the pineal body and diencephalon. So you can complete the lobes like this. You can complete the lobes. Now you can label it. Okay, so this portion, what you see, this dotted line, this is the cerebral hemispheres or cerebrum. These are the optic lobes. Okay, so this is the sorry so this is the olfactory tract. This is olfactory lobe. This is cerebrum. This is optic lobe. This is cerebellum. This is vagal lobe. This is the medulla, and this is the spinal cord. So I hope you might have understood how to draw this diagram. So I would like to stop this video here itself. In the next video session I will continue with the diagram of perch.